1,80,000 road fatalities in 2024 in India, amounting to almost 500 deaths every day. While driving is often underrated, but it is very important how safely you drive, because it's important for you, your family, your loved ones. I'm your automate, and today I'm at a very special place to tell you something which you'll not find in the textbooks. I am at an Institute of Driving, Training and Research, or IDTR facility in Delhi, a government-supported center under the Ministry of Road Transport. It offers advanced simulator-based driving education to improve road safety and professional driving standards. Now this IDTR facility is spread across an area of almost 10 acres. There's one more on the outskirts of Delhi. I am at the Sarai Kale Khan facility. The course begins with classroom learning, where theory sessions are imparted to the enrolled candidates. Instructors teach about do's and don'ts and how to maintain hygiene on the road before moving to practical classes. The training facility here has got a series of obstacles to teach you more about how you should be safe on the road. Signages, signals, parking, going over inclines, driving in S, reversing in V. There are a series of obstacles which will actually enable you to be a better and safer driver on the road. Now, between your theory classes and practical sessions, how IDTR is different is because of this room. Now, this has got few stimulators, which means you'll have an experience of sitting behind the steering wheel here in a safe and learning environment. Instructors explain to you how you can have quick fix in case you're stuck. Just not engine cross sections, but also safety toolkit that is there in your car and how you can make use of them if you are stuck. Now this facility is for passenger cars and also light commercial vehicles. Talking about the pricing, well, it all starts at around 7,000 rupees, where you'll have hands-on experience, 10 practical sessions, and there you'll have an instructor. You'll also have a vehicle at your disposal. Road safety is not a tokenism for us at Automate. We educate you, inform you in a fun and interactive manner so that you can be safe with your family every time you venture out. Your thoughts on this story, let me know in the comments box below.